Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you all are fine. And guys, today's video is going to be very important because in this video I'll teach you about JavaScript. Have you listened this word yet? JavaScript? If not, doesn't matter because I have told you that I know a lot of ways to teach you. Guys, JavaScript is also a language and it is understandable for computers. And it is mostly used to create web pages. Sorry, not to create web pages, it's used to validate or to let functions on them. And in this video, I'm gonna validate a web form, sign up form, which I have created in the previous video. And as I told you that the validation will be live, when users start typing, the validation will work as well. And guys, I'm requesting you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, so subscribe it first for the latest updates. Okay guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. Open text editor. Guys, these are the codings which I used in the previous video to create sign up form. Okay, we can start JavaScript coding. Guys, it's JavaScript coding starting tag is script and its ending tag is /script. Guys, it will be little bit mathematically. Okay, so here what we will have to do, var x is equal to document dot get element by tag name. Guys, I have specified here tag name. As I told you that we starts a tag. This is a tag. These are the tags and these are the names of these tags. Okay, so what we have named first. Stop guys, first thing is that we need to handle that when user click on submit form button and he or she hasn't entered any value on these text fields, then we will validate and inform the user that you haven't fulfilled these fields. Okay, so for that, name will be so I'm using it here, submit button, and x dot on click. Sorry guys, I think that this way will be wrong. We should create a function. We name click event. Okay, now start the function. Sorry, it will be like this. And also this tag name will be used x is equal to document dot get element by tag name. Okay, first name. Okay, and I'm naming it A. And how many fields we have? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 5. Okay, and I'm gonna name it B, C and D, E, and do it last name. And for this, user email, and this one will be first password and next one will be last password, because we want to check that these all are filled or not. So come here in this section. Guys, first of all I wish to check this function that is working or not. For that I'll use alert. Okay, and this commas is important. And save it first to see what browser tells about this file, and come to that directory where it is being saved. Simply double click on it and click on this button. Let's see that it's working. Now come on the text editor for our next work. Okay, and now what we have to do here first is to create a form. It will start by form and its name will be sign up form. Okay, and as we know that it's a paired tag, so we will use, sorry, here not, we'll create here its ending tag. Okay, and one thing more that is needed is to do this. Have you got it, guys? And the next step is to create if statement. This statement will check that inputs are not empty. So a is equal to blank, or a is equal to null. Guys, if this statement is true, then this block of code will be executed. For that I want here a span. Sorry, here not, here for now. Here I wish to display output that is and its ID will be first name error, and I want to let style on it like and color will be red, and save this file. Come here, and now the statement will be document.getElement by ID, like ID is first name error. Okay, dot style dot display is equal to block. Okay, and one thing more, guys, which I forgot to do, that is this one, because this method is used to stop the page to be refreshed. Okay, and this one will be in the function. Save this file and one thing more, display will be none. Okay, save it as well. Okay guys, let's see that what browser tells about this page. Save it first and go to the browser. Refresh it and submit the form. Have you got it guys, that when this field was not empty and I click on this submit button and it doesn't stop page to be refreshed and form will be submitted. Okay, and let's see that when this field is empty and I'm gonna press this button, what will happen. This error will be appear that first name field is empty. Let's see if I write something here or anything, like when I click on this button it does not stop, it will be submitted. Now come again and let this function on all these fields, okay, input fields. And first let these all text here inside the function, okay. And now what we'll have to do, we'll have to use Elsif statement, okay. Statement will be same like b is equal to blank, or b is equal to null, and event dot prevent default its ID will be last name empty error, okay, and this one should be like that, empty error. Okay, now statement should also be appear here, okay, and it will be last name empty and last name field is empty. And one thing more is to do, that is this one. Okay, and password will also and error will be password is empty, okay, and it should be kept here as well. And guys, for CSS file we'll have to use class, empty error. and come here. Will be this. And guys, have you remembered that I told you for class we uses dot in the CSS file, and its font size will be 10 pixel and top will be 0. And save this file. Come here and do it as well. I think guys this statement will be wrong. I should use it only if. Okay, and save this file. And also one thing more is to do margin top minus 20 pixel. Save it as well, and let's see that is it working correctly. Refresh it first and press. Let's see guys, if I write here something as well here and press it, form will be submitted. Okay, it means that it's working. Come here and make it for all. This one will be for C and D and it will be E B. Okay guys, save these all and check output in the browser. First refresh the page. As you can see guys, it's saying that first name field is empty, last name field is empty, and email field is empty as well, and password field as well as repeat password. And guys, the next step is to do the live checking. You know, when users start typing on these fields, we will remove these all errors. Like, let's see how. For this step, we'll have to use these all as well. So copy them here, paste, and function. You know guys, if user has start typing on this first name field, we'll inform him or her that this field is not empty yet. Okay, so for that we'll have to create if statement. A dot value dot length greater than is equal to 2. You know guys, I think that name should never be as consist only one word, one alphabet. Okay, that's why I choose these 2 characters. And for it, you know guys, if this error is visible, you know, like first name error is visible, then we'll say that this error should never be visible, as the user has started typing in this box. And one thing more guys that I wish to be visible in the browser, you know, these this code, and you know it's an emoji. I'll show you its output. First let me add, and should be here as well. Okay guys, come on the point. Where were we walking? And one thing more is first name field is being filled. Okay, sorry, style dot display. You would be thinking guys that what is it? Let's see, and copy it from here for our CSS file, and font size will be 10 pixel and color will be green, display will be none. Save this file and come here, save it as well, and let's see what browser tells about this file. Open browser, refresh it and save it. As you can see guys, here is the emoji which I recently added. Okay, and now I'm gonna start typing. Okay, it isn't working guys, but why? I think problem will be here. What we'll have to do here, by ID, okay, and first name, and this will be equal to X, sorry, V, and here we'll also use V and here as well. And now we'll have to create ID attribute, okay, and its value will be first name. Save it and let's see the browser. Refresh it first. Now I'm gonna type here and let's see guys, this success message is being appeared and with emoji. Like, one thing more is left, that is to do this one, document dot get element by ID first name field. Sorry, it will be little bit not important, okay, and I'll have to create here else statement, and it will be its opposite. It will be block and it will be none. Okay guys, save it and come in the browser, refresh. Let's see, I have clicked this button and it is been appeared. Now I'm gonna type here and it is been changed in this statement, okay, and now if it will be is, you know, let's see, statement is being changed into first name field is empty, and now I'm gonna write here something and it will be changed that first name field is not empty. So guys, let's come on the text editor and let all of them as same, okay. So first of all, I wish to change these all and that. Okay, and these all as well. Okay guys, this process has been finished, and now let ID all of these tags. Okay, now ID will be last name. Okay guys, I have done this, and now one step was going wrong, that is this one. Okay, and save this file. Sorry, it's not important now because we have work left here. Okay, and now I'm gonna copy these all, and here I'll write. And one thing more guys, that keep in mind that we will have to finish this function, okay, by this close bracket. And now do the same at all. Okay, this one will be W, and here W, and okay, and finish this bracket. Do this with all. Okay, and guys, I have finished this process, and now change all of them as well. Let's see how. It will be last name empty error, and it will be last name filled. Okay, and guys, do the same with all, like I'm gonna do. Okay guys, I have finished it, and now let this pen tag, okay, which is here, copy it as well, and I have pasted it at all. And now it's time to change content. For last name it is, and for email is it, and for password, okay, and also change their ID attribute value. Okay, I have done the above, and now repeat password filled. Okay guys, I'm sure that this whole process has been done, and now save the file first and open browser to see what browser tells about the file. Refresh the browser first and let it first. Okay, as you can see guys, that we are getting all these errors on the screen. And now I'm gonna type here something. It is been changed, and for the last name has been changed, and for the email is been changed. And now one thing more guys, that this email not empty, at this step we are correct. But now in the next video I'll teach you how to validate email address. Like I have right here anything else, like these are the characters. But in the next video I'll show you how you can validate this email address, that is it correct or not. Okay, so let it. Okay, and the password will be as well, it's working good. And guys, in the next video I'll teach you that how you can validate, check these fields, that these are same, like first password and this repeat password are same and or not. And you will also be able to inform user that you are inserting two different passwords. Okay guys, I think that this video has been finished, and we will meet in the next video. Till that, take care of yourself, and if you have any question regarding this video or anything else in your mind, you may ask in the comment section below, and inshallah we will meet as soon as it will possible for me. Okay, goodbye.